As Typhoon Shanshan barrels towards southern Japan, residents of Kagoshima Prefecture find themselves in the eye of the storm, quite literally. This Category 4 behemoth, packing winds of up to 130 miles per hour, has set its sights on the region, prompting widespread warnings and growing concerns among meteorologists and locals alike. Just 68 kilometers off the coast of Aoshikima Island and a mere 288 kilometers from Kagoshima City, Shan Shan's proximity to land is raising alarm bells. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued typhoon warnings for the entire Kagoshima Prefecture and large swaths of Kyushu, with advisories likely to extend further north as the storm progresses. In an unexpected twist, Shan Shan took an easterly jog, leaving forecasters scrambling to predict its future path. This unpredictability has only added to the anxiety of those in its potential path. As the storm stalls over the area, its eye is showing signs of destabilization with weakening cloud tops, a development that meteorologists are watching closely. The islands in Shan Shan's path have already felt its wrath, with maximum winds of 70 miles per hour and gusts reaching a staggering 99 miles per hour. But it's not just the wind that's causing concern. The storm's proximity to land has raised the specter of potentially devastating storm surges in coastal areas. Perhaps most alarming is the rainfall threat. If Shan Shan stalls as some models predict, it could dump an extraordinary amount of rain, up to 50 inches, 1,250 millimeters in some areas. This deluge could lead to severe flooding across southern and eastern Kyushu, putting lives and property at serious risk. The storm is drawing strength from the high oceanic heat content near the Amami Islands, fueling its intensity. This factor, combined with sea surface temperatures of 30 to 31 degrees Celsius, is helping to sustain Shan Shan's power as it approaches land. Computer models are painting a complex picture of Shan Shan's future. Some suggest the storm might perform a full loop around Kyushu before weakening and then potentially re-strengthening. This looping behavior is reminiscent of Typhoon Nai from 2005, which impacted the same region with similar intensity. As Shan Shan dances along the coast, it's expected to fluctuate between typhoon and tropical storm status over the next few days. There's a possibility it could move into the East China Sea after its Kyushu loop, potentially impacting a wider area. The storm's erratic behavior is part of a larger pattern of tropical activity in the Pacific. Multiple systems are being monitored, with the Western Pacific particularly active. This broader context adds to the challenges facing meteorologists and emergency responders. Looking ahead, long-range forecasts suggest the potential for further tropical activity in the coming weeks. This puts additional pressure on authorities to prepare for what could be a prolonged period of severe weather. As Shan Shan continues its march, comparisons to other historic storms are inevitable. Some meteorologists have drawn parallels to Hurricane Katrina, which devastated the U.S. Gulf Coast 19 years ago. While the contexts are different, the comparison underscores the potential severity of Shan Shan's impact. In conclusion, Typhoon Shanshan presents a clear and present danger to southern Japan, particularly Kagoshima Prefecture. Its uncertain path, coupled with the threat of extreme rainfall and powerful winds, has put the region on high alert.